Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Here we carefully balance the purified water, the sugar, and the flavor concentrate. This precise mixture ensures the perfect taste every time.
Check the P3 reading. It's at 4.25.
Acknowledged. Initiating recalibration sequence. Looks good now.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.